This video is going to be something else because I need to come transparent with you. In early September of 2021, I had $500 extra in my Webull brokerage account. At that time, they just introduced a brand new crypto called Shiba Inu. Do you remember the days? Do you remember the craze? Dogecoin, Shiba, all that kind of stuff? Well, I decided to put that extra $500 into SHIB for two reasons. First, I was okay losing the money. I know $500 is a lot, but at the time we were doing okay. And I figured, heck, why not just give it a try for fun? I think we've all had that before, right? Maybe we're younger or we just have this extra cash and they're like, you know what? Here's this silly thing. You know what? I'll throw a few bucks in, just see what happens. Number two, I actually wanted to be a rebel against the Dogecoin craze. If you've been around, you know sometimes I like to be a rebel and go against the grain, like the $5 a day into Ethereum instead of Bitcoin, things like that. Here's actually a screenshot from that purchase. $500 at a purchase price well below 1 penny. I laughed it off, let it sit there, and I went on with my other investing activity. What I wasn't expecting was what came next. On October 28th, the price skyrocketed and my $500 became $6,091.60. I should have totally sold at this point and called that a lucky shot. Instead, I bought more thinking this was only just the beginning. I then posted a YouTube video here on the channel. Now, all those videos are taken down, but I figured, let me update the people on my $500 turning into $6,000 and all this stuff that's going on with Shiba Inu. I wasn't expecting this to happen either. My views absolutely skyrocketed on my channel. Where I typically get anywhere from 6,000 to 12,000 views per day, I started getting 80,000 to 112,000 views per day based on my SHIB content. And along with that came new subscribers. And just like anyone who hits this type of momentum overnight, it becomes a bit of a high. Let's be honest. Wow. The dangerous part wasn't the gain. It was that I started thinking I was smarter than I was. So more videos came forward, more buying came forward. And as fast as it was all great, by October of the next year, the picture looked a little bit different. The excitement was gone. The price performance wasn't as great. And I continued to ache toward what my true North Star is in life. And what I mean by the North Star is what gets me awake, my passion, my true self. It's how I invest, how I go about my life, and how I want others to remember me by. What was really a fun test of the $500 became a bit of a craze, let's be honest. But in each of those videos, I always stressed that index funds and steady investing was the true path to wealth. And although I'd admit I consistently worried that people were glossing over those statements, looking for the next moonshot, I just had to say it because that was my true North Star. It's what all my current videos are based on. It gets me excited to talk about it. Now, do I regret investing in SHIB? Not at all. Do I regret talking about SHIB on the channel? No. But what I did do is I took a step back over the last few years to recalibrate what I truly love: investing for beginners, building financial independence, and being the best person that we can be for the world that relies on us. See, my portfolio and my true investing strategy is based on building wealth that I can stay rich predictably, not by getting lucky. A simple $500 into $6,000 is absolutely amazing, but it's kind of like winning the lottery. Studies show that a significant portion of all lottery winners end up going bankrupt, and the sudden allure of money is awesome in the moment, but it never seems to last. And that's where I learned that even though it was a fun rise, investing in meme coins or those investments that promise to make us rich overnight are often gambling in disguise. Trading hype is a full-time job. It's stressful, and data shows a good majority of people lose money that they invested in the first place, just like gambling. And after all, I already had a full-time job outside of YouTube. I've worked my way up to being a corporate executive, and I want to apply what I've learned growing my career and my actual investment portfolio into inspiring others here on YouTube. Not talking about hype just because I got lucky. What I've been doing years before I invested that $500 into Shiba Inu in September of 2021 is clean investing into my 3-fund portfolio. Also paying off debt, paying off our mortgage, and building financial independence so that we could walk away from being a corporate executive and live freely on my own terms. As January 2022 started, I had the following in motion. First, I was finishing the last leg of my debt payoff journey, which was paying off the house and being fully debt-free. Second, I was investing in the 3-fund portfolio, as I just mentioned. And third, I had just started to get inspired into a different investing method, one I wish I would have learned about when I was 18 or 20 years old. And I'm sure you can guess what the third was, but if you're new here, It was the $5 a day investment challenge, an easy way to give up Starbucks and trade the $5 for coffee into a $5 investment. I actually remember it very clearly. It was around December 2021, right after the Shiba Inu craze. I was sitting there at work, drinking a cup of Starbucks coffee, and I was looking at my portfolio on my phone. And I thought, what if I would give up this coffee and invest it instead? And I thought this would be a great way to show people that it is possible to start with a little amount and grow your portfolio, especially if you don't have a lot of money. Because I know a lot of people struggle. And I'm like, wait a minute, we could just cut this out. Because a lot of people do this. They don't have a lot of money, but we do something that we really shouldn't, or we're okay cutting out. Maybe you don't really need the Starbucks. Maybe you don't need that beer after work, whatever it may be. Cut that out and invest it instead. So I made the clear choice. At the beginning of the new year in January 2022, I'm going to invest $5 a day into VOO for the S&P 500. And I decided I'd do this without talking about it on YouTube for a while and give it a few months to a year before I show my results, even if it didn't work out. Surprisingly, on that very first video, which was posted 6 months later after I did my first investment, I was down pretty bad. In fact, I found the screenshot from that very first video in June of 2022. I had 2.19 shares at a market value of $742.76. This means I was down $123.71 or minus 14.28%. So remember this screenshot because let's see how it is right now as of February 2nd. Now I have 17.16 shares of VOO at a market value of an exciting $10,991. That's an increase of 42.68%. So going from negative 14% to a positive 42% just by staying consistent through that hard time in 2022, right? And here we are today. So unlike the meme coins, which are quite honestly stressful trading experience, I realized a very simple set and forget mentality, which is how I've been investing well before that $500 SHIB purchase. This is the true path to wealth, not the lottery hit that risk excitement and bankruptcy and things like that. We start with $5 a day into a good quality index fund. Then as we make more money, we pay off debt and we have more disposable income, we can build up our ideal life. So I built this Google Sheet right here to show you how this works. You can plug in all of the details if you wish. So let's say we want to have $2.5 million in retirement. Taking the 4% rule, that gives us $100,000 per year when we retire that you can live off of. I'll include this sheet down in the description if you want to click it if you don't have access to it already. But look, the desired and age-based portfolio, this is where it's at. Let's say your current age. Look, I wish I was 20. I'm just going to put 35 for now. The estimated rate of return, you can mess with this as you wish, but let's keep it at 7. We want $2.5 million so we can get $100,000 a year, and we want to retire at 65. What this does is it lets you know if you're starting with $0, how much more you need to invest to get to this goal. So the years to invest are 30 because you're going from 35 to 65. Your daily investment is $70 a day. So like I said, you could start with $5 a day. That doesn't mean you end at $5 a day for the rest of your life. Your goal is to scale up to your ultimate dream. And if your ultimate dream does line up with this, that's cool. All you have to do now is scale it from $5 a day to $70 a day or $2,131 a month. If that sounds like a lot, just remember, small steps to get there. And then what you need to do is get rid of debt, get rid of things, increase your income, and then build this up. This is the exact step that I did over the last 10 to 12 years to get to this point, to be able to live financially free. There's a way and a path to get there. Somebody did ask in the comments, is there a way that you can plug in your current portfolio and then go from there? I will make an enhancement to this sheet on the next I will make an enhancement to this sheet and share it with my future Patreon, which will be opening up a little bit later this year, which will include portfolio reviews, fun experiences together, and so much more. So stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, grab this for free, play around with it, and then you can kind of say, hey, look, if your portfolio balance is already, let's say, $1 million, just knock $1 million off of this and just do 1.5 million. Now your daily investment is $4,205 and your converted monthly investment is $1,279. We'll fix this in the future. So this right here is the future, building our Sharpe money to achieve financial freedom. Now, I have to be honest with you. If you're here because you're looking for the next SHIB to the moon type of video, you're not going to get it anymore. If you're looking for hype, this channel isn't for you anymore. And it's totally okay if you want to unsubscribe. Totally fine with that. I'd rather you find a creator who gives you what you're looking for. But if you're ready to graduate from the gambling to building wealth that lasts, if you want to learn how to keep your money and make it grow automatically, find ways to escape the corporate grind and live financially free, then I'm asking you to stay, because that is exactly what we're doing here on the channel from this point forward. I'm not here to show you how to get rich fast. I'm here to show you how to stay rich once you get there. But next, what I need you to do is see my actual portfolio. I'm going to be fully transparent in how my net worth adds up by checking out this video right here. Here's to the future of financial freedom with our Sharpe money. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.